Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to English Medium Prep by Exampur, and I'm Kumar Ravi. My dear students, as we have already discussed so many questions, so many concepts, the same part. Okay, so today, as we will discuss some concepts of electricity, as we were discussing about the concepts of current electricity. Okay, so we have discussed about the electric current and resistance and resistivity and Ohm's law. Okay, and the series connections, electrical connections, series and parallel connection. Okay, so today we will also discuss. Today we will also discuss some more concepts. Okay, some more concepts about of current electricity. So, my dear students, as we have seen that we have covered the series connection and parallel connection. Okay, so today we will discuss some more questions about. Today we will discuss some more questions of mixed problems based upon series and parallel. Okay, but before that we will discuss Wheatstone bridge. Okay, some questions based upon the Wheatstone bridge also come into the exam, and most of the students they just get confused about it and they are not able to answer it correctly. Okay, so first of all we should know about the Wheatstone bridge. What is Wheatstone bridge and how can we solve the problems based upon Wheatstone bridge? Okay, so Wheatstone bridge. So Wheatstone bridge. Okay, so we will discuss about the Wheatstone bridge. Okay, so Wheatstone bridge. Suppose that uh, let me explain. There are four resistances. There are four resistances like this. Suppose that this one is also, and okay, so we will discuss like this. Okay, suppose that yes, and this is the diagram. This is the diagram of Wheatstone bridge actually. Mein. So this is galvanometer. Okay, so this is galvanometer. Okay, so these are the connections. Okay, now uh, suppose that yes, now suppose that this is point A, this is point A, and this is point B. Okay, now this is R1 and this is R2. Okay, now this is R3. Now this is R4. Okay, now this is R4. So here we will see that how can we calculate the value of the resistance across A and B, across A and B. Okay, so how can we calculate the value of resistance across A and B? Okay, A and B. Now guys, here we can see that R1 and R2. Actually, first of all check this kind of arrangement is known as Wheatstone. Actually, this galvanometer is just like a bridge, and that's why this arrangement is known as Wheatstone bridge. Okay, so first of all check R1 upon R2. Check R1 by R2. Okay, check R1 by R2 and check R1 by R2 and R3 by R4. Okay, if R1 by R2 and this is equal to R3 by R4, Okay, R3 by R4. If R1 by R2 is equal to R3 by R4, then this bridge is known as Wheatstone bridge. This is balanced Wheatstone bridge. Balanced WSB. Balanced Wheatstone bridge. ठीक है, हाँ. Yes, this is balanced Wheatstone bridge. Then, if Wheatstone bridge is balanced, okay, if Wheatstone bridge is balanced, then it can be reduced to this. Then it can be reduced to this. Okay, then it can be reduced to this. Okay, there is no meaning of then. Okay, yes, this is balanced. Okay, if WSB is balanced, then no current will flow. No current will flow through ब्रिज. ब्रिज के थ्रू कोई भी करंट फ्लो नहीं करेगी और ये इस तरीके से बन जाएगा. ओके, हेंस दिस विल बी इक्वल टू R1 प्लस R3. हेंस this will be equal to R dash and this will be equal to R double dash. Okay, so R total will be equal to, this will be equal to R dash multiplied by R double dash upon R dash plus R double dash. Okay, so this will be the value of this. Okay, so R dash into R parallel, because when R dash, okay, R dash will be equal to R1 plus R3 and R dash R double dash will be equal to R2 plus R4. Okay, R2 plus R4. So this will happen. Actually, R total will be like this. Okay, so this is the Wheatstone bridge actually. Okay, so we can easily calculate the resistance between A and B, but first of all we will have to check whether it is balanced or not. Okay, so first of all we will have to check whether it is balanced or not. So yes, let me give you some questions based upon this, just like example. Okay, just like suppose that this is okay, so these are 4 ohms, 8 ohms, 6 ohms, or 12 ohms. Okay, and suppose that 2 ohms. Okay, so this is A and this is B. Okay, so what should be the resistance between A and B? What should be the resistance between A and B? What should be the resistance between A and B here? Okay, so you are asked to calculate RAV. Okay, so this is RAV. Now suppose that you have to calculate the value of resistance between A and B, and that is RAV. So Here we will check, first of all we will check whether it is balanced Wheatstone bridge or not. If it is a balanced Wheatstone bridge, then we will simply calculate. Okay, so then this is the value, this is R1. Okay, so this is R1 and this is R2, this is R2 and this is R3 and this is R4. Okay, now first check R1 upon R2, and this will be equal to 4 upon 8, and this will be equal to 1 by 2. This will be equal to 1 by 2, and R3 upon R4, and this will be equal to 6 upon 12, and this will be equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so hence here we can say that R1 by R2, and this will be equal to R3 upon R4. Okay, so here this will be equal to this. Okay, so this will be equal to this. Now R1 by R3, that will be equal to R3 upon R4. Hence we can say that this is a balanced Wheatstone bridge. Okay, so here this is a balanced Wheatstone bridge. This is a balanced Wheatstone bridge. This is a balanced Wheatstone bridge, and in this condition we can no current will flow through 2 omega resistor, because no current will flow no current will flow no current will flow no current will flow through 2 omega resistor. Okay, so we can remove it. It means the circuit will become like this. It means the bridge will become like this. Okay, so it means the bridge will become like this. Okay, so R dash, so R dash will be equal to 4 plus 6, and this will be equal to 10 ohms. Okay, and R double dash, this will be equal to 8 plus 12, and this will be equal to 20 ohms. Okay, so this will be the correct answer. Now R dash and R dash, and suppose that R total, this will be equal to R dash multiplied by R double dash, R dash plus R double dash. Okay, so this will be equal to 10 into 20, 10 multiplied by 20 upon 10 plus 20. Okay, so R total, and this will be equal to R total, this will be equal to 200 upon 30. Okay, so this will be equal to 20 by 3, 6.67 ohms. Okay, so this will be the correct answer. Please note it down. So this will be the correct answer. Okay, in this way such questions are solved. My dear students, apart from the YouTube sessions, me and my whole team teach for the paid batches also. Okay, so we are on our paid batches, and those batches are in our official application, official Android application. You will have to download for the different kinds of benefits. Okay, so our official application can be downloaded from Play Store, Google Play Store, and you can just download them by searching exam official. Okay, and you will see exam government sarkari nokri prep. Okay, you will find that application on Play Store, and then just download that and install in your phone. And after installing into your phone, you will see that you either you will have to register, or either you will have to register or sign in. Okay, so if you have already enrolled, then you will have to sign in. If you have not registered till now, then you will have to register, and then you will have to fill some details. Okay, like making a password. Just select one random password. Okay, just select one random password that actually works. So after registering into the application, that you will find, after registering into the application, you will find a lot of batches are there. Okay, in many streams. Select any one stream or two stream you are preparing for, and then select the suitable batch you want to join, and then just by clicking on the payment option, by paying a very small amount of fees, you will be able to join that batch at your home. And then you will find the free classes. There are many free classes. Okay, as well as you will get the PDF notes, PDF questions answers discussion. Okay, previous year's questions discussion in PDF, as well as free mock test. Okay, with result and report card. Okay, there are some paid mock test also. Okay, so all these benefits you will get all these benefits, and these benefits will be for you. So that's why you will have to keep visiting again and again, so that you can know that which batch is actually running for you. Okay, yeah, or which batch is suitable for you. Okay, so this is the way that you can boost and you can just accelerate your preparation. Because if a if a student prepare for any government job, then he or she needs to do some practice also, as well as he or she needs some guidance, some personal guidance or any doubt clearance. Okay, so here in our application you can just get it. Okay, so these are the way to accelerate your preparation. So guys, this was the question actually. Okay, so this was the question. Now we will move to another question. Okay, so we will move to another question. Another question based on the WSB is like this, that you will be very confused that whether it is WSB or not. Okay, so like just see. So these are the resistances, and suppose that uh, these are the resistances like this. Oh, so these are the resistances like this. Okay, and suppose that this is A, and suppose that this is B. Okay, so this is A and this is B. Suppose that this is 2 ohms and this is 4 ohm. Okay, and this is 8 ohm. And suppose that this is 12 ohms and this is 24 ohms. Okay, and suppose that this is 6 ohms. Okay, so now calculate the total resistance between A and B. Okay, so now you are asked to calculate the total resistance between A and B. calculate the total resistance between A and B. Okay, so calculate the total resistance between A and B. Calculate the total resistance between A and B. Now, just now you will have to calculate it. And I know that this is very simple and you can calculate it. But first of all, you must know that what kind of question is this. First of all, you should know that what kind of question is this and how can you identify that what will be the root, what will be the method to solve this. Okay, so what will be the method to solve this? Guys, first of all, just observe this one thing that here 4 upon 8 and 12 upon 24. This is nothing but the Wheatstone bridge and these are equal. Okay, so ratio of these two things is equal. Ratio of these two things is equal. Ratio of these two things is equal. Okay, so here 4 ohms, 4 upon 8 and this will be equal to 12 upon 24 and this will be equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so here we can say that this is a Wheatstone bridge. This is a balanced Wheatstone bridge. This is a balanced WSB. Okay, so it means this 6 ohm resistance can be removed. 6 ohm resistance can be removed very easily. Okay, so 6 ohm resistance can be removed very easily. Here 6 ohm resistance can be removed easily. Okay, so 6 ohm resistance can be removed very easily. Okay, so hence this question will become like this. Okay, so question will become like this. This 6 ohm resistance can be deleted like this. Okay, and hence now you can see that. Okay, so and hence now you can see that like this. Okay, you can see that this is 24. Now this is 4 ohm. Okay, 4 ohm will be in series with this 24 ohm. Okay, now this 8 ohm will be in series with this 12 ohms. Okay, and now this 2 ohm will be in series, all these things. So here R dash will be equal to R dash and this is R double dash. Okay, so R dash will be equal to, yes, R dash will be equal to what? 4 plus 24. 4 plus 24 and this will be equal to 28 ohms. Okay, and R double dash this will be equal to what? 12 plus 8 and this will be equal to 12 plus 8 and this will be equal to 20 ohms. Okay, 20 ohms. So this will be our answer that R total, sorry, R RT will be equal to R dash multiplied by R double dash upon R dash plus R double dash. Okay, so R total will be equal to RT plus 2 omega because this is in series. Okay, so this will be the solution for this. Okay, so this will be the solution for this. Please note it down. This is very important topic. Okay, so this is very important topic. Yes. So, buddy, this is the concept. Okay. So, buddy, this is the concept. Now, we will do some more questions. Okay. Like this. Uh, Example. Suppose that uh, yes. देखिएगा. Suppose that this is 4 ohm, 9 ohms, 9 ohms, 9 ohms, 2 ohms. So this is A and this is B. So what is the resistance between A and B? Okay, so RAV, what will be the value of RAV? What will be the value of RAV? So how can we calculate? Actually, guys, here we can see that all these three resistances are in parallel manner. Okay, so these will be in parallel manner and the circuit will become like this. Okay, so circuit will become like this, that this resistance will remain at the same place, but instead of this circuit there will be only one resistance and this will be at as it is. Okay, so here this will be at 4 ohms and it will be 2 ohms and this will be R dash. Okay, so here we can write it as this is A and this is B. Okay, so this is A and this is B. Now you can see that the total resistance RAV will be equal to 4 ohms plus R plus 2 ohms. Okay, so this will be this value. Okay, so this will be the value of this. Now you can see that this R will be equal to 1 upon R and this will be equal to 1 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9. Okay, so 1 by R and this will be equal to 3 upon 9 and this will be equal to 1 upon 3. Okay, so R will be equal to 3 ohms. So R will be equal to 3 ohms. Okay, now you can see that RAB this will be equal to 6 plus R ohms. RAB this will be equal to 6 plus R means 3 ohms. Okay, 3 ohms. Okay, so RAB will be equal to 9 ohms. So this will be the correct answer. Please note down. And I'm saying that such type of questions are asked in CHSL, CPO, CDS, okay, and any state government police type, okay. SSC CGL also asks such type of questions nowadays, okay. So that's why these questions are very important and it can also be asked in any exam, okay. So You don't need to go for the very difficult questions, because very much difficult questions are not asked in such type of exams, but these kinds of questions are asked in your exam. Okay, so, like as I have already told you, SSC CHSL, CDS, UPSC CDS, okay, SSC CPO, okay, Indian Railways also. In many sets of Indian Railways and SSC CHSL and CPO, such type of questions are bombarded. Okay, so this is the solution. Now I will give you some more questions, just like, suppose that a question I'm giving you, you will have to find out the value of, suppose that, suppose that this is the value of 18 ampere. Okay, and this is 6 ohms, and this is 3 ohms. Okay, so now please tell me what will be the value of this in this branch. Okay, so this is I1 and this is I2. Okay, so this is I2. So now tell me what will be the value. Now tell me what will be the value. 6 ohm, 3 ohm. Okay, 6 ohm and 3 ohms. So what will be the current, what will be the value of I1 and I2? Actually, such type of questions are solved by just keeping in mind that lower the value of the resistance, higher will be the current flowing through it. Okay, because the electric current always follow the less resistance path. Okay, because the electric current always follow the less resistance path. Okay, so here this is R1. Okay, so here this is R1 and this is R2. Okay, so now guys, here we can see that I1 is equal to R2 upon R1 plus R2 multiplied by I. Okay, so I1 will be equal to R2. R2 means 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 multiplied by 18. 3 plus 6 multiplied by 18. Okay, yes. So I1 is equal to, and this is equal to 3 upon 9 upon 18. Okay, so this is 9 to the 18 and 3 to the 6. Okay, so this is I1 and this will be equal to 6 ampere. Okay, so this will be equal to 6 amperes. Okay, and now you can see that, I2 will be equal to I minus I1. Okay, so this one is also a method, I minus I1. So this is I2 is equal to I minus I1. Okay, so this is I2 and this will be equal to this is equal to R2 R1 upon R1 plus R2 I. Okay, so this is I2. Okay, so this is I2. This is I2. I2 is equals to R1. What is the value of R1? This is 6. 6 upon 6 plus 3 multiplied by 18. Okay. So now you can see that, I2 will be equal to 6 upon 9 into 18, and this will be equal to 9 to the 18. Okay, 6 to the 12. So I2 will be equal to 12 ampere. So this will be equal to 12 ampere. Okay, so this will be the correct answer. So this is nothing but the application of current division rule. Okay, so this is nothing but the application of current division rule. This is the application of current division rule. Current division rule. Okay, yes, application of current division rule. Current division rule. Okay, so this is the application of current division rule. Now please note it down. This is also very important question. Yes. So, my dear, these are some questions and some concepts I have discussed today. Okay, and tomorrow we will have the same kind of session at 10 a.m. in the morning and 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay, so at 10 a.m. in the 10 a.m. in morning we will discuss some important questions. Okay, and at 2 p.m. afternoon we will discuss some more concepts on current electricity. Okay, so this is for today and we will meet you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.